We had a great opportunity of visiting Phantom VFX company.
We got to know about the whole crew which is like working behind this huge project.
Pre-production, production and post-production. அப்போ வந்து இந்த VFX அவங்க எப்படி அங்கே ஃபிட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துட்டு அவங்க எங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க.
I came to know about the design process behind the client's expectations, how the company starts sketching from the scratch to the last prototype.
We got opportunity to look at their projects as well. The one movie that I got interested in Ireland, சிவகார்த்திகேயனோட படம்.
We recently visited to Phantom VFX company and it was a great experience. We got to know about the whole crew which is like working behind this huge project. Somewhere like working on the storyboard, somewhere like working on the 3D, somewhere like working on the rendering, and somewhere like working on the environment graphics, and it was a great experience. Yeah, we had the opportunity to interact with those people. Like it was a minimal interaction, but yet they gave us a like huge insights as to what they were like working on. As a communication design student, I feel that there's a lot of scope in such a field. They even had like multiple groups inside these firms, like it is like a multiple conveyor belt where they had these small groups. They had this hierarchy system where one has to work on VFX or something and the other has to like pass it down and work within a specific set of time frame. And the conveyor belt, what they emphasized was like the conveyor belt mustn't stop at any point, just for the project to go in a smooth flow. So yeah,
pre-production, production and post-production. ஸோ அப்போ வந்து இந்த VFX அவங்க எப்படி அங்கே ஃபிட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துட்டு அவங்க எங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ when it comes to pre-production, they do like concept arts, and for production they go to the set and they have like team of VFX artists who work on sets every day, and they like set up green screens and blue screens, and the points like wherever they have to like pin it up, and wherever they have to like see where the CG comes. So basically that's the thing. And they also said that they also work with the actors, like if they need to do the models of the actor, like 3D model of the actor or the actress. So that's one thing. And for the post-production, that's where the full CG and the character animation goes. They have worked for movies like Avengers and like for Marvel movies basically, and many more international movies. Those are very big movies, so there are a lot of scopes.
We got like a live industry experience where their workspace itself very different from our college. It was really dark and the artists were focused on their screen. We got opportunity to look at their projects as well, like behind the screens of the movies. Like personally, the one movie that I got interested in Ireland, சிவகார்த்திகேயனோட படம், where there is a character, ஒரு alien மாதிரி ஒரு character. அதில் வந்துட்டு ஒரு அனிமேஷன் பார்ட் வந்து அவங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க ஃபார் தேட் கேரக்டர், வேர் அந்த அனிமேட்டர்ஸ் வந்துட்டு அவங்களே ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி இட்ஸ் லைக் அ ரோட்டோஸ்கோப். அவங்களோட ஃபேஷியல் ஃபீச்சர்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும், அந்த ஏலியனோட ஃபேஸ் டெக்ஸ்சர்ஸ், ஐ மூமெண்ட்ஸு, அந்த ஏலியன் நகர்றதாக இருக்கட்டும், எல்லாத்தையும் தே டிட் ரோட்டோஸ்கோப் இன்சைட் த ஸ்டூடியோ இட் செல்ஃப். அண்ட் they work with lots of softwares as well, like Maya, Blender, அப்புறம் நிறைய வீடியோ எடிட்டிங் சாஃப்ட்வேர்ஸ் கூட ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க, DaVinci and then Photoshop, illustration like that. And there are like 2 slots where they work. ஒன்றுத்தில் வந்து they do post production and pre-production. There are lots of scopes in the VFX, concept art, animation, 3D modeling, ஈவன் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி. இப்போது இந்த ஃபோட்டோஷாப் தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா அங்கே எடிட் பண்ணலாம். அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ஸ்கோப்ஸ் இருக்குது. அண்ட் தென் அட் த என்ட்ரன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த PhantomFX they had their mascot in the front. அந்த Phantom ஏலியனே வந்துட்டு they had their mascot.
உள்ளே போனோடனே ஒரு ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் மாதிரி காமிச்சாங்க, லைக் அவங்க என்னென்ன மூவிஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க, என்னென்ன அவார்ட்ஸ்லாம் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க, ஹாலிவுட் மூவிஸ் அண்ட் இந்தியன் மூவிஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணதெல்லாம் பற்றி, பாகுபலி, RRR அந்த மாதிரி பெரிய பெரிய படமெல்லாம் அவங்க வந்து கிளிப்ஸாக ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க.
I had a misconception that animation, VFX, gaming are all the same. Once I visited there, I came to know that VFX is completely different from gaming and animation. The ambience there was really dark. Initially we were confused about the dark surrounding, but the person himself explained why he had the dark background, because the lighting in the surrounding might affect the animations. Doing masters in dot, I had a great on-field experience of the design process behind the VFX team. I came to know about the design process behind the client's expectations, how the company starts sketching from the scratch to the last prototype. Bijoy Arpudaraj is the CEO of the Phantom company. We came to know about how he started the company from scratch and what made him grow so much. We came to know about the various categories below the VFX position, and we also came to know about how the company recruits people. Over the period, this company started to grow and they started to partner with most of the international companies, and they won 2 Oscar awards.
We had a great experience, and I see there is a lot of scope for communication designers in this field as well as animation and gaming. And yeah, thanks for DOT for this great opportunity.